The cabin air filter is a feature found on most late model vehicles. What it does is clean the air that comes into the interior through the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. It catches dust, pollen, and other airborne materials that can make riding in a car unpleasant, particularly if you have allergies or other respiratory problems. Your local Maserati dealer will want over $60 just for this cabin filter, but I'll leave a link in the description on where you can get it for much less. Remove the cover to the cabin filter by pulling back on the two tabs. Next, lift up on the cover to the cabin filter housing and remove the old cabin filter. This cabin filter only has 26,000 miles on it and is in pretty nasty shape. It was definitely time to replace it. Installing a new cabin filter is just the reverse of how we removed it. Slide in the new cabin filter, latch the cover to the cabin filter housing, and reinstall the cover plate. See, changing the cabin filter is very easy. It can be done in less than 15 minutes. If you need help replacing the cabin filter in your Ghibli, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer it. So long.